This is the ceiling fan out in the porch. It has cane wicker blades. I don't know, you can't see it too well because it's very bright out. This is not an outdoor rated fan. I remember, if you guys remember from Johnny Waffles, when I was Johnny Waffles, I had a really old and ugly ceiling fan out here. This was the ceiling fan that used to go in the bedroom upstairs. Then we took it out and put it out here. It used to be a flush mount, but my grandfather found out a way so he could hang it from a down rod. That down rod is still original from the other ceiling fan. See how rusty it is? Yeah. Alright, this one, just like the one in the living room, is hooked up to a variable speed control. So here is high. This one doesn't go as fast. I don't know why. And again, all these fans are very well balanced. This is another unknown brand. If anyone knows what kind of fan this is, I'd appreciate it very much if you guys told me, because I'm really trying to find out what kind of fans these are. Crank it down to medium. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a slight buzz on this one. I'm really sorry for the bad graphics. This is a very cheap camcorder. Alright, turn it to low. It's fairly quiet on low. Here's the light. I only use that at night. And that's the video. Thanks for watching.